What's up, Pancakeswap holders? So today video is going very special for Pancakeswap holder because this is the live chart you can see here, and they starting very badly fails down. You can see here they completely fails down, and the change occur as a 10.08% fails down. So oh my goodness, very fastly fails down, my friend. Pancakeswap holder, they completely fails down. What we do in this current situation, sell, hold, or buy, my friend, and what's the reason to they fails down in upcoming days? What's they going? They fails down more, or they going up? They starting moving up. So everything discussed in this video, my friends. But definitely, please, before I get started the video, subscribe this channel for latest news and press bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much for subscribe this channel. Okay, come to the point. Please like this video also. Come to the point. This time you can see here, my friends, a pancake in the last 24 hours, especially not just A1 and this hour, my friend. Pancake is completely fails down, and therefore I make this video for all holder, my friend, all of you, to please try to understand to what's the reason to they fails down, my friend. First of all, the reason is that, my friend, to this is the start of month, and everyone's at the end of a month, especially at the last day of April, they very badly falls down. The price is, you can see here, 37.64 US dollar. They fails down very fastly, my friend. You can see here 10% in just last 1 hour, and the last 24 hour they fails down. So my friend, the reason is that this is the start of month, and every cryptocurrency is very badly fails down in the start of month. You can see here this time there is unbelievable fails down, my friend. Very badly fails down. So what's remember to after a very bad fails, my friends, they take a jump, and after a very bad falls they also take a jump. You can see here this time also they take a jump. You can see here after this fail, and just a minute, you can see here, just a minute, you can see this time after a very bad falls they take a jump. You can see here. So after this fails, they starting moving up like a rocket. Definitely if they take like this type jump, then absolutely, my friend, this is very crushful coin, my friend, and I hope in upcoming days they also moving up like a rocket. So definitely after this jump, my friends, they also fails down, and every cryptocurrency is moving like that. So this time you can see here they also after a very high jump, my friend, they fails down very fastly. So if they fails down like that, then what we do, my friend? What's the current situation? What we do at this time? You can see here, especially in the last, you can see here in the last 24 hour, when they take this type fails, my friend, my mind is stop working to what we do in this current time. But remember, my friend, to please, I have no plan to sell it for a short time. If you are a short time investor, then definitely the last day of April is a good day for you. But this time you can see here I have no short time investor, and therefore I cannot sell it. The reason is that, my friends, to people starting selling, therefore they fails down very fastly. But my friend, if people starting buying, then exactly, my friends, they're going up like a rocket. So this time you can see here they starting their candle as and green, and they moving up like a rocket. What a great, my friend. After a bit falls, my friends, they starting moving up. So definitely if they going up like this, absolutely they hit the resistance line, and they starting make a profit, and they're going up like you can see here the one candle as in green. So that's mean to they starting going up, and after this fall, my friend, also every coin after a falls, my friend, starting moving up. So definitely Pancakeswap is also moving up. Okay, my friend, let's check out the more details about Pancake in the last 24 hours, my friend, towards the market cap, what's going on. Okay, everything is gone very special, my friend, for all of you. So please, before I get started, I check this, please subscribe ABS Tech channel for latest news and updates. Thank you so much for subscribing. This time, if you can see here, my friend, the market cap is also as a negative, my friend. If you can see here, this time the market cap is falls down 10.41%. This is definitely very bad fall, my friend. But if you check out this time the market cap travel ratio, my friend, you can see here this time 0.6088 US dollar, my friend. Market cap TVL ratio and full diluted market cap, you check out 10.43% also face down. This time if you can see here total value log TVL, so this time as 9 billion, my friend, and I hope in upcoming days they also going up. But definitely the first week of this month they also falls down more. So this time you can see volume 24 hour as 36.00% falls down. I can't believe it, to just in the last 24 hour. Oh my goodness, very bad fall, my friend, change occur. and this time in crypto market also fails down, especially all crypto market very badly fails down. So please remember to after this fails they also take a, oh my goodness, they again fails down. Definitely my friend, everyone especially short investor my friend start selling, so they go fails down. If people starting selling, then absolutely they fails down like a rocket. This time you can see here they completely fails down and they cannot take a jump. But after this long fails my friend, they take a very long jump, and the good time is coming soon for Pancakeswap holder. Kindly don't sell it. This time you can see also the price is very badly decreased, but if you sell this time, then they cannot give you a good profit. You are completely in the loss. So kindly don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. I hope the good time is coming soon. This time is very bad for a Pancakeswap holder, but I hope in the next week of this month they change occur is in positive and they gone off like a rocket. My friend, if they cross the resistance line and they cannot cross the resistance line and fails down my friend, but this is good for all of you. But this time you can see here they cross resistance line very fastly moving fails down. But please hold it, this is my opinion my friends, so please hold it, don't sell it and wait for a good time. And if you want to buy more, then exactly this time you can see here the price is going very fails down and the price is very cheap. So therefore if you want to buy more, then exactly after a very bad fall my friends, you buy it and hold it, and I hope after bad fall my friends they take a very long jump. So kindly hope you understand my friends, to after a fails you buy it. I hope they give you very good profit and they make you a millionaire. So thank you so much Pancakeswap holder, hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video, subscribe this channel for latest news and updates. Subscribe channel.